Hi guys, and welcome to Cultnomics. My name is Paul Hanley, and today I'm going to be chatting to you about third degree price discrimination. Okay guys, for third degree price discrimination, what we're going to do is look at two different cohorts or two different groupings of customers. In the first cohort, we're going to call them high willingness to pay over there on the left axis, left diagram, and over on the right we'll have low willingness to pay. So we've got high over here. These people really want the product, willing to pay an awful lot for it, and over on this side we have low willingness to pay. Both diagrams have a price and cost involved, so we have price and cost up here, quantity down on the x-axis, price and cost for a low willingness to pay, and quantity down on the x-axis. Both of them will have a demand curve. In the case of high willingness to pay, the demand curve is going to be drawn relatively steep. So what this means is it faces inelastic demand for the high willingness to pay customers, so that when they increase their price, their quantity drops proportionately less. If we compare this to the market for low willingness to pay, what we have is a demand curve that is quite flat like this. This we would call a elastic demand curve, and what that means is if the price goes up for these type of customers, the quantity demanded decreases proportionately more. Both of them will also have a marginal revenue curve attached to their demand curve, downward sloping in this case. So we have our MR, and also for our low willingness to pay cohort, we have a marginal revenue curve that is less steep over here. So we have marginal revenue. The key point between both markets is it's the same product being produced, which means that the marginal cost of production is the same for both markets. So marginal cost will come across here, and we'll label that as a constant marginal cost of production. We assume that both of these customers will be charged a profit maximizing price level, which is MC equal to MR. Over on the left hand side, MC equals MR at this point here. From that we can derive a quantity Q1 and a price level P1. What we're going to note straight away is that price level is relatively large compared to its marginal cost curve down here. Now, if we come over to the low willingness to pay cohort, they again produce a profit maximizing level of output, Q1 here, and they charge a price given by their demand curve, P2. If we compare both markets here, what we see is that for profit maximizing price for the high willingness to pay individuals, they can be charged P1, and there is a large gap between price and the cost level, whereas in the low willingness to pay group with high elastic demand, the difference between their price and their cost level is quite small, which means that the price level charged to this particular group is quite low with a lower profit margin. I hope you call back to Cultnomics soon. Bye for now.